my name is Lola Johnson-Rosales. My student ID number 548-29421. This is a skill set of non-sterile compounding, skill 8, preparing capsules. Have the following materials I will be using. This is going to be a prescription I'm filling. Patient's name, Samuel Urban, and this prescription is going to be 1/100th capsule of ergotamine, DDD ergotamine powder, DDD caffeine powder. And the filler I'm using is Symbase, DD Symbase. Once the prescription is filled, I will put the capsules into the bottle. The ingredients, materials I'm using are all right here displayed. So I have my soap for aseptic hand cleaning, my paper towels for cleaning. I have a weighing boat, a spatula, my weighing powder papers. Here I have my Symbase powder, ergotamine powder, caffeine powder. I have my scale, my mortar and pestle, my gloves. I have a spatula that I'm using if I need an extra spatula. Here, of course, we have the capsules. Then I'm also going to be donning a face mask. In these times of uncertainty, COVID-19 is a very serious pandemic. I believe when I'm preparing prescriptions, it is best to be wearing a face mask. So I will get started. Step 1, I will perform the calculations required for the preparation of 1 capsule. And for 10 capsules, I will provide written calculations with the assessment form. Step 2, I will gather the necessary materials, which I have done so here. Step 3, perform the aseptic hand washing technique. Step 4, don the nitrile gloves. Step 5, clean the materials. Step 6, weigh the ingredients, including the capsule blanks, within the allowable margin of error. Step 7, mix the ingredients properly and fill each capsule using the pinch method. Step 8, weigh the filled capsules to verify that the final weight is within the allowable margin of error. Step 9, package the prescription. Step 10, label the prescription. Step 11, assign the correct beyond use date, aka BUD. Step 12, complete the compounding record CR form correctly. Provide the CR with the assessment form. Step 13, clean the materials and store them for future use. For this lab, I have run out of alcohol wipes, so therefore I am substituting with paper towels and with 70% isopropyl alcohol. What I will do first is prepare the alcohol. Never know how much you're going to need. And I have this if I need it. I'm going to lay it off over here to the side, off the wax paper I'm working with. Enclosed with this video, I will be providing MSDS material safety data sheets. There will be 3. There will be for the DD sim-based pattern, a DD caffeine pattern, and a DD ergotamine pattern. So I will get started. First thing I'm going to do, since I've gathered the necessary materials, I will perform the aseptic hand wash technique. I will next clean the materials. I will next go ahead and weigh the ingredients, including the capsule blanks, within the allowable margin of error. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm following scale weight calculations for ergotamine and caffeine 1/100th capsules. The total weight of all 10 capsules will be 7.35 grams. Total weight for all 10 DD-ergotamine powder will be 0.01 gram. Total for caffeine for 10 capsules will be 1 gram. For Synbase, the total filler for 10 capsules will be 6.34 grams. As you can see on the assessment form, those are the measurements of weight for the powders. First, I'm going to show the safety data sheets. This one is for the DD Synbase powder, for the caffeine and ergotamine. This, of course, is the compounding record. So, here we go. So we're going to do ergotamine first. Turn on our scale. Set it to grams. Ergotamine, I'm going to get one of the weighing sheets. Here we have ergotamine. Now the weighing paper, I have to clear that weight that's got the tare weight on it. Do 0.01 grams for the total 10 capsules. Zero point 0.01. Okay, we have the ergotamine. Put that in the pesto. We're done with this weighing sheet. You can put it over here. Next powder. The next powder I'm weighing is caffeine. It's going to be 1 gram for that, for 10 capsules. We have our extra sheets of wax paper available. Okay. 1 gram. Very good. What we need. Okay. This, of course, is 1 gram. And with this paper, we have last one. Last one we're weighing is a thin base. And thin base is 6.34 grams. That's the filler. That's what we want. Okay. 6.34 grams. All right. Powder. Turn that off. The scale's done. See, we're still weighing the capsules. The capsules. Capsules weigh 1.8 grams total. So, mortar and pestle, the 3 powders. Being careful not to do too fast because we don't want the powders to ever spill over the side. There is the excess margin of error that I provided in this powder. Powders combined. Okay. Go ahead. Wax paper, I'm going to place the mortar and pestle combined powders on. Use my spatula, this is clean. Never use your fingers, even gloved fingers, as a measuring tool, because that could contaminate the ingredients that you're making for the prescription. Start with the first capsule. This is clean. Very carefully, I'm going to press the center here. Not using my fingers. That's half the capsules. Again, I want to prevent any spillage from this paper. So I've got 5 more capsules to fill. Take the spatula and push that powder toward the center of the wax paper so none of it is overlapping the paper and cannot become contaminated. As you can see, there's still a good amount of powder on here. That's because I weighed within an allowable margin of error. Here we have the last capsule to be filled. This will be completing the prescription for Samuel Urban. I will then go ahead and dispense it to the patient. The pharmacist will go ahead and look over the prescription. I have initialed the bottom right corner of the sticker to be placed on the bottle. So we have all 10 capsules placed in the bottle. I weighed the capsules to the final weight within allowable margin of error. I'm going to package the prescription, label the prescription. It's time to correct the beyond use date, complete the compounding record as I have. And then lastly, I will clean the materials and store them for future use. So here we go. The label on. Here's the label. Put on the bottle. Just like that. The beyond use date. Here I'm looking at my compounding record. Beyond use date assigned is June 15, 2020. The expiration date is December 17, 2020. The date it was packaged was December 18, 2019. And of course, here I have my technician initials where it should be. And I'm going to be cleaning my supplies. Mr. Urban, Samuel Urban, his prescription is ready. I'm going to set that aside for the pharmacist to take a look at. I'm going to put it up here on the counter. Now I'm going to clean materials to store them for future use. This now completes Scale 8 preparing capsules. Thank you very much for watching this lab today.